Very good morning to one and all. My dear children, I welcome back to this session. Last class we have seen several changes that happened over the centuries that deal with the first chapter of history. First of all, we have seen the changes that took place in maps that is being used by the travelers. The next change that we have seen is in the terminologies, for example, the word Hindustan and all. In today's session, we are going to see what are the changes that happen in the sources of learning, different sources for learning, what all things we are used, that is being used, especially used by the historians. The first thing they used for learning history is coins. And second one is inscriptions, what all is inscribed in the metallic plates, pillars and all. Next is about their architecture, their style. The third one is architecture, and the next one is the textual records that is being written and kept in the text. And among the coins, inscription, architecture and textual records is one of the important source of study that is being used by the historians. Among this, textual record is one of the important source. And we know that why it is important, because variety of textual records are there. During that time, that is the textbooks, the number of text is being more important because there are variety of textual records. It is being increasing. Why? Because the paper, it is being invented during that time. The paper gradually become cheaper. So textual records gain its importance. And the next one is that the textual record, manuscripts become more important. Manuscripts mean hand-written records. Manuscript means written by hand. That is, we cannot specify the author who's written that textbook and all. So the manuscripts become more important to provide a lot of detailed information. Not inscription, detailed information. So this is the changes that has been happened in the learning. So many things we have used. I am going to repeat. That has been used by the historians for the learning purpose. The first one is the coin, inscription, architecture and textual record. Among the textual records, and that is among this the textual records are more important, and that is because the paper gradually become cheaper. And next is the manuscripts. Among the textual records, the manuscript that is written by hand is more important as it provides detailed information.